And the award for Outstanding Producer of Documentary Motion Picture goes to American Symphony.
Wow. We are deeply, deeply honored to receive this award from the PGA. I and we could not have made this film without the incredible support of my amazing producing partners, Joedan and Lauren, our immensely talented filmmaking team, and our steadfast partners at Netflix, Higher Ground, and Mercury. This film is many things to me, but at its core, it's a story of love, resilience, and the healing power of art. I want to thank John and Suleika for their courage and inspiration. This recognition is for them.
Thank you. As producers, we get the honor to build community, and so many people are part of this community, from our editors to our co-producers to our PAs. So many hands and hearts touch this project, and while we're standing up here, we're here because of them, building this community. And yeah, thank you guys so much.